I'm going to tell you about Sa'i. Sa'i is to walk between Safa and Marwa 7 times. Did you know Hajar, when Ibrahim salam left his wife Hajar and baby Ismail salam in a deserted place which is now known as Makkah, Ismail salam became thirsty. Hajar went to the hills which are now known as Safa and Marwa, and she started running between them 7 times in search of food, water, or people. But she didn't find any soul. She thought she and her baby were going to die. Luckily, an angel came and created a spring of water nearby. Hajar drank from her hands from the spring, and so did baby Ismail salam. As the spring grew, people came in there to make a small town which is now known as Makkah. Also, the spring that Hajar drank from is now today called as Zamzam. The name Zamzam comes from Hajar. When she was drinking, she was saying Zamzam, which meant stop. I hope you like my interesting facts about Safa and Marwa. Bye.